Welcome to my channel Rose Beauty. Turmeric is an herb known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Due to its active ingredient, curcumin, turmeric soap may offer health benefits for multiple skin conditions. While turmeric can also be taken orally in supplement form, evidence suggests that it's better absorbed when applied topically to the skin, making products like turmeric soap potentially effective for evening out skin tone, hydrating dry skin, and repairing damaged skin. 1. Anti-inflammatory properties. Traditionally, curcumin has been used medicinally to help treat inflammation. 2 Research suggests that this may apply to inflammatory skin conditions like psoriasis, an autoimmune disease that causes rapid skin cell reproduction in which the cells pile up, forming hardened deposits called plaques. Specifically, the compounds in turmeric, including curcumin, may help decrease swelling when used topically, as in soap. 4 Experts think turmeric reduces inflammation, though more human clinical studies are needed to confirm this theory. 56. 2. Antioxidant powerhouse. Turmeric contains antioxidants, beneficial compounds that help prevent cell damage by reducing harmful free radicals. 6 When free radical levels increase, oxidative stress damages skin cells and may lead to skin conditions like hyperpigmentation, patches of skin that are darker than surrounding skin, or skin cancer. While more research is needed on turmeric soap, available evidence suggests that topical turmeric can help prevent free radical buildup and protect your skin against environmental damage. 3. Antimicrobial properties. Turmeric's antimicrobial properties may help prevent bacterial skin infections. Some animal studies have shown that using a topical turmeric-based product, like turmeric soap, may improve antibacterial activity on the skin. 5 Other research has found that applying turmeric topically may prevent the growth of acne-causing bacteria. These findings suggest that using turmeric on the skin could be effective for skin conditions like acne and bacterial staphylococcus staph infections, though more human research is needed. 4. Enhances skin glow. Some studies suggest that taking turmeric orally for 8 weeks may promote the skin's hyaluronic acid production, producing higher water content in facial skin. 5 This is likely due to hyaluronic acid's ability to boost skin elasticity and reduce wrinkles and fine lines, leading to a more vibrant, glowing skin tone. While specific studies are needed to determine the benefit of topical turmeric products, like turmeric face soap, these initial findings are promising. 5. Heals and repairs damaged skin. Controlling inflammation when your skin is damaged or wounded is the first step toward healing and repair. Turmeric topical products can offer this anti-inflammatory action. Some research shows that turmeric helps skin wounds heal more quickly and reduces scarring. 3 It also supports collagen production, which is key for wound healing. This skin-repairing benefit may also support people with skin-damaging conditions like psoriasis. Turmeric topical products combined with traditional medical therapies may minimize psoriasis flares. 6. Hydrates dry, irritated skin. Dry, irritated, and itchy skin, which can occur when you have a condition like atopic dermatitis or eczema, which causes dry, itchy skin patches, may benefit from treatment with turmeric soap. One study found that using a topical product containing turmeric improved eczema symptoms. 5 Other research shows applying turmeric to the skin around the eyes improves itchy and scaly skin related to eczema. 11 However, more research is needed. 7. Brightens and evens out skin tone. In some studies, using turmeric-based topical products helped even the appearance of photodamaged, hyperpigmented, or discolored skin. 12 Because turmeric seems to help even skin tone, using a product like turmeric soap could support a brighter, more balanced complexion. 8. Helps with acne and dark spots. Using a turmeric soap product could successfully manage acne and the dark spots or discoloration it leaves behind, known as hyperpigmentation. Curcumin-containing products appear to clear common bacterial culprits that trigger acne breakouts. 5. Turmeric has also been found to decrease hyperpigmentation after an acne breakout has cleared, topically fading these dark marks. 9. Reduces signs of aging. Sun exposure can cause skin to appear to age more quickly, photoaging. The curcumin in turmeric topical products might help slow this process, or at least make it less noticeable. Research shows that consistently applying turmeric for 4 weeks may improve skin appearance and firmness. 5. Turmeric's potent antioxidants may help mitigate the damaging effects of unstable molecules called free radicals triggered by ultraviolet (UV) radiation, helping to prevent skin aging and damage. How can you use turmeric soap? Turmeric has been used for thousands of years for medicinal and cosmetic purposes. 16. It can be applied to most skin parts as often as your body tolerates it. You may consider incorporating a turmeric soap bar, widely available online and in-store retailers, into your daily routine. Check store-bought products for ingredient lists and ensure they are non-comedogenic, unlikely to clog pores. Because everyone's skin is unique, you may want to do a patch test before applying a turmeric soap all over your face or body. Select a quarter-sized area of skin and apply the product daily for about a week to ensure that a reaction, like discolored, swollen, or itchy skin, does not develop. Note that applying turmeric powder directly to the skin will not have the same benefits as a turmeric soap or other turmeric product, as the powder cannot absorb into the skin on its own. Can you make turmeric soap at home? There are various methods for making homemade soap and other turmeric facial products at home. While there's not a one-size-fits-all recipe, for a basic melt-and-pour style soap, you'll need several different ingredients and supplies, plus turmeric powder. Several recipes and instructions exist online. For the best way to try turmeric soap, speak with a healthcare provider or dermatologist, a doctor specializing in skin, hair, and nail conditions. Possible side effects. Generally, turmeric is safe to use topically or orally as a supplement, in the recommended amounts for most healthy adults. That said, it is possible to experience side effects or an adverse allergic reaction. Topical use of turmeric products could cause a skin rash in some cases. This could also be allergic contact dermatitis, a skin inflammatory response to turmeric or curcumin. It is a good idea to do a skin patch test before trying any new turmeric products. If you notice a rash following the use of turmeric soap or another turmeric-based product, stop using it and contact a healthcare provider as soon as possible. People who are pregnant or breastfeeding should consult a healthcare provider before using turmeric, either on their skin or by mouth, as there is not enough evidence to prove its safety in these groups. Turmeric's active ingredient, curcumin, may offer several skin health benefits. Research suggests that a product like turmeric soap could help improve inflammatory skin conditions, promote wound healing, treat acne, support an even skin tone, and more. For more interesting videos, subscribe to my channel.